Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a tutorial on this springy neon eye. So if you want to see how to get this look, then just keep on watching. So I've already primed my eyes with my Urban Decay priming potion, and I'm going to go into my Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette with this green color. It's called Money Bags, and I'm just taking this mini dome brush and I'm going to pack the green all over my lid. Then going into my Club Tropicana palette, I'm just also going to take the lime green color and I'm going to pack that all over the green as well, just to give it more of a metallic look. Now with my UV Stargazer eyeliner in pink, I'm just going to start creating a wing. Slow and steady wins the race. Now I'm going to take this other Stargazer UV liner in neon yellow, and I'm just going to make an accent line on the corner of the pink wing. And then with my LA Colors green jumbo crayon in limeade, I'm just going to go all along the waterline and lower lash line. And then with this dome moda brush and my MAC Fix Plus, I'm going to spray the brush. And I'm going to delve back into my Club Tropicana palette with the lime green color. And just going to put that in the inner tear duct. I already did that color on the other side of the eye. I'm also going to be taking the pink color at the bottom of the palette, and I'm going to pop that on the top of it. My desired color that I want. Now with my Essence Lash and Brow, I'm just going to put this on my lashes to separate them and get them ready for the mascara. For mascara, I'm taking my Monsieur Big by Lancome. This mascara is really good. It makes my lashes really long and not clumpy. Right now, I'm into this one and also the Benefit Bad Gal Bang. They both have a lot of volume and they both make your lashes look very big and long. Then with my e.l.f. All Over Ultimate Blending Brush, I'm going into my Pro Artist Essentials Contour and Blush Palette. I'm going to take that peachy color in the bottom, and I'm going to pop that on my cheeks. And then to stick with the greens and the spring kind of colors, I'm going to go in with this green shimmery highlight. And I'm also just going to put that on my cheeks as well. So yeah, that pretty much completes this eye look for today. I hope you liked this tutorial. If you want to see more like this, then please like and subscribe below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!